Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So let's jump into the Dollar General's weekly ad for March 22nd through March 28th. This week is packed with fresh digital coupons, new bundle deals, and some really solid stock up prices. You won't want to miss a lot of these. I'm going to walk you through the best savings on household essentials, laundry care, snacks, pet items, and all the deals that make the biggest difference at checkout. Make sure you've got your Dollar General app open so you can clip along with me, because these are the offers you want ready before Saturday's 5 off of 25. Let's get into the best deals of the week. Easter is coming up fast, Sunday, April 5th, so this is the perfect time to stock up on candy. And right now, Hershey's and Reese's Easter candy is buy two, get one free. That means you can grab your favorite chocolate eggs, bunnies, miniatures, or Reese's peanut butter treats, mix and match, and your third one rings up completely free. Whether you're filling Easter baskets, prepping for an Easter egg hunt, or just grabbing treats for the family, this is one of the easiest ways to save before the holiday hit. Don't wait, this deal is perfect for building those baskets on a budget. For this next bundle deal, you'll want to be sure to clip the digital coupon to save $5 when you spend $30 on any P&G fabric care items. These products are also 4 for $12, and you can mix and match across all your favorites. This includes Gain, Ariel, Bounce, Tide, Draft, and more. Just add your items to get your total to $30, clip that $5 digital coupon in the app, and watch your price drop at the register. This is a super simple way to stock up on laundry essentials without overspending. Now here's another quick savings alert. You can clip the digital coupon to save $3 when you spend $15 on Persil, Dow, Soft Scrub, Purex, or Snuggle products. Mix and match your favorites, get your total to $15, clip that digital coupon, and watch the price drop at checkout. Super easy way to save and stock up. Here's another quick savings alert. You can clip the digital coupon to save $3 on Rayovac batteries. Stock up on AAA, AA, or whatever your household needs. These are perfect for remotes, toys, flashlights, all the everyday essentials. So clip that coupon and grab your batteries while the deal is hot. Now, of course, with Easter being right around the corner, here's a sweet way to save. You can clip the digital coupon to save $2 when you spend $9 on any Reese's products. Grab your favorite eggs, minis, or peanut butter cups and let that coupon do the work. And if you want a little homemade fun in the kitchen, pick up a box of crispy rice cereal and a bag of mini marshmallows. Melt the marshmallows, mix in the cereal, press it into a pan, and top it with chopped Reese's for an easy, delicious Easter treat. Stock up, save, and make something fun for the family. Now, spring, of course, is the perfect time to give your home a fresh start, and this deal makes it easy. Right now, you can get buy one, get one 50% off on Comfort Bay hand towels, washcloths, and select area rugs. Mix and match your colors, upgrade your bathroom, or add a cozy new rug to brighten any space. These little swaps make a big difference when you're refreshing your home for the season. Grab your favorites, take advantage of that buy one, get one half off deal, and give your home that clean, cozy spring feel without overspending. All right, y'all, so that wraps up this week's best savings to help you refresh your home, your outdoor space, and take care of your pets without stretching your budget. If you're getting your yard or patio ready for spring, now's the perfect time to grab those outdoor essentials. And from decor to small upgrades, that'll make your space feel clean, cozy, and ready for warmer weather. A little refresh goes a long way when you're spending more time outside. Don't forget about the P&G fabric care deals. Save $5 when you spend $30 on your favorites like Gain, Tide, Ariel, Bounce, and Draft. And these are 4 for $12. So it's an easy way to stock up on laundry essentials while keeping your home smelling fresh as you transition into spring. And of course, we can't leave out the pets. Whether you're grabbing treats, toys, food, or litter, there are plenty of simple savings this week to keep your furry friends happy. These deals make it easy to stay stocked up without overspending. So whether you're refreshing your home, prepping your outdoor space, needing essentials, these deals can help you save on everything. Follow along for more weekly savings and easy ways to keep your home running smoothly. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.